Let's go!
Yo, Sean here, and today we're going to look at a common applied maths problem regarding movement in video games. In this game, we'll set it so that the character has a move speed of 2 pixels per frame. The movement has been mapped to the arrow keys, which gives us the ability to move in 8 fixed directions. Now look at the difference between moving in the cardinal directions compared to moving diagonally. Notice how we are moving faster diagonally. In our code, we are stating that we want to move 2 pixels per frame, and GameMaker 2 determines this by moving your object within a graph. When moving horizontally, we are moving 2 pixels in the x-axis, although when moving diagonally, we are moving 2 in the x-axis and 2 in the y-axis. This seems fine on the surface, but when we measure the distances travelled, we can see that we have instead travelled approximately 2.8 pixels. That's about a 40% increase to the distance travelled within the same amount of time. So how do we fix this? GameMaker needs to know when we are moving diagonally, which it does, and it needs to know what the new movement speed should be when travelling diagonally, so that the distance travelled is equal to its normal movement speed, in our case 2 pixels. So here's what we know. We know that the shape formed on the graph when moving diagonally is always a right angled triangle because of the fixed directions. We know that the hypotenuse of this triangle is 2 because that is our maximum movement speed. And finally, we know that both A and B are the same number. In order to solve this puzzle, you will have to investigate which GCSE maths formula should be used, and then perform some simple algebra to determine the new values of A and B, giving us our diagonal movement speed. In order to win this prize, you will need to deliver what formula you have used, your workings out, and your answer. So what are the rewards? The first person to complete this maths puzzle will receive a £30 Amazon gift voucher. The second person to complete this maths puzzle will receive a £10 Amazon gift voucher. Furthermore, I will help implement this code into the games of anybody who completes or attempts this challenge. Should you have any questions or need this explaining differently, come speak to me and we can have a run through it together. Thanks guys, good luck and have fun.